Well, okay, guys, we won't be using the aquash water because it's kind of having a shader error when it comes to universal render pipeline, which I haven't been able to fix yet. But if you have any, you could use any other water shader that supports universal render pipeline and use it for your terrain. Yeah, you give it a nice kind of swampy look if you want to. Um, for those of you that like to make it look like a forest, can go ahead and add smaller bushes into the terrain now that you know how to add objects. Just follow the same procedure you used to add trees and the same procedure you used to add stones and rocks. Alright, so to go into today's tutorial is post-processing. We'll be leaving behind the water setup and maybe hopefully in my did up terrain I will show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, so post-processing, alright. Those of you that haven't used it before, the universal render pipeline, I want you to go create a game object. Yeah, you can call it graph, you can call it whatever you want to call it, graphics or whatever, but mine is word graphics. I disabled it because there's no need for me to uninstall it to delete it. So I'm going to enable the back, and then what you're going to do is that you're going to click add component and search for volume, and then the first one that comes out. All right, when that is done, you don't need to worry about this, just move it. So when that is done, you are set to go. You add all available overrides that you're going to use. The ones you're going to use, you add them. You can see there's quite a lot, and Unity is still bringing up more. So I don't know, guys, whichever time frame you're watching this, is Unity must definitely have gotten a lot more better than the way you're seeing it now. So I'm going to activate this, and I'm going to go. The work doesn't just stop here. After activating this and setting your post-processing to global, also creating a new one or using a preset one, you come all the way to camera, right? Let me bring my camera to this place. Okay, come over to camera, right? Open everything. Post processing, enable this. Alright, so we're still going down. Environment. Alright, volume max. Put it to the post processing layer, and yeah, it should almost be good to go. Okay. Let me see. Uh, okay. Alright, so let's go back to this place. I don't know what's going on right now. It should be showing right now. Should be showing. It's going to show right now after doing all these settings. Hmm. Okay, and yeah, you have a post processing. You have a very nice and beautiful toned terrain. Alright, guys. For those of you that would like, once again, that would like to make it look more realistic, stay tuned for my fast build up coming up soon. I'm going to be doing a fast build up on a look-alike terrain like this, and I'm going to try my best to optimize it so it could be smart, so it could be looking smart and have a smooth frame rate for easier video capturing. And for those of you that would like to know how or curious of how I came to that end result, feel free to drop a comment, and I would give you guys a tutorial on what I did, a quick tutorial on what I did on that. tutorial on everything I did on that. Alright guys, please subscribe to my channel. Once again, sorry, I'm not used to YouTubing. I'm just someone that just decided to share my idea to you guys. So bear with me if my talk is lame, or if you really want to learn something, definitely you're still watching this video to the end and you are getting something. I promise my upcoming videos I'll feel more used to talking to myself. Yeah, I feel more used to talking on video. Have a nice day, guys, and stay happy.